Alrighty, fellas, it is Sunday. It is Father's Day, and Zach is bringing his Jeep up, his old Willys, and we are going to go to the local car show. It's going to be awesome. It is a brisk 40 degrees, 45 degrees in Pennsylvania in June. I don't know what's going on. I'm cold. I was going to be sporting my Double Club Diesel shirt today. If anybody actually wants one or is interested in them, I bet I can make something happen to start making Double Club Diesel shirts. But this was just a gift from my brother. But I can show you the back later. But anyways, I was going to sport that today, but I'm cold. I'm still rocking shorts. Maybe it'll warm up. I doubt it. It's windy. I wasn't going to take my Jeep because we had some technical difficulties, but yesterday I realized I couldn't leave my buddy Zach at Zach's Custom 4x4s, his YouTube channel. I couldn't leave him hanging. I couldn't. We always go to the show together, so I hunkered down and I fixed everything in like a couple hours last night. I was like a maniac. So we have mildly working brakes now. It runs a lot better, maybe. I don't think it'll actually start, to be honest, because it is so cold out. But let's see. Give her a couple pumps. Take her out of gear. Okay, promising. Wow, it did start. All right. Okay. Nope. We're gonna let her idle for a little bit, and then I'll throw you guys up in the corner of the cab, and hopefully we'll make it to the show. Pitter patter. Alrighty, let's go to the show. Let's go. Zach was late, of course, so we're behind schedule. All the cool cars are already there. We're not gonna have a cool spot, all because of Zach. Oh, I hope this thing makes it. I don't know what he's doing. This way! Holy guacamole! Alright, now we go. Good, you? Yeah, I wasn't gonna bring it, but I hammered down last night and fixed it. What's that? Okay. Yep. Yeah, good, you? Yep. Okay, thank you. Pitter patter, bud. Alright guys, so we made it back to the house after the car show. Went really, it was a lot of fun, Super windy, couldn't even shoot a video because it was just so windy. I was going to show you guys some of the cars there, but it didn't work out. But we conquered my nemesis. That is the hill to get back to where I live, to Montrose, and there's past this one farm. It's just big. Last time I boiled my poor little Jeep motor. It didn't damage it, but it still was fine. But today, even coming all the way back up all the hills to get back to my house, we're looking at about 200 degrees. I'm actually really happy with it. It stayed right there the whole time. But anyways, yeah, fun little Father's Day video, but like and subscribe and pitter pat or get at her. Oh, what do you want? Say hi to Zach. He just loaded up his Jeep.
Nothing overheated, so that's always a good
Yeah,
day.
mine didn't. It actually did really well.
I was waiting for it. I was like, that's going to overheat.
No.
I have to push him home.
No, I actually pulled that one hill in third gear pretty much the whole time.
Well,
it's probably because I fixed that brake that was hung up in the back.
I'll get you every time.
All right, guys. Well, pitter patter, get at her.